Guys, this time it's me doing the intro. Today we're going to be doing a fidget toy. Come on, let's go. Okay, come on, let's go in the shade. I got a fidget toy, yo. We gotta go in the shade. Okay, now that we're in the shade, let's do this.
We have one problem.
What?
We only have 2 fidget cubes.
Toys, you mean?
Toys.
So, we can both review one. Okay, I have the fidget spinner right here. Charlie will hold the camera. And point the camera. Oh, learn.
Okay, tell me to go.
Go. Whoa, he's good at that.
Spinner. Fidget spinner.
Hey, do the bro thing. You showed me this on the bus. Good. No, alright, do the thing.
Hey, bro.
What?
Wait, hey, bro.
What?
Wait, let me get ready. Hey, bro. Wait.
Just do it.
Okay. Hey, bro.
Dude, it doesn't work like that. Now let me video you doing the fidget cube. So now we're going to be videoing the fidget cube. This is going to be a short little video because our phone's almost out of battery.
We got an egg.
The egg down.
Oh. So first I got these little spinning things.
Wait, let me see. Move your hand. Let me see. See, you can click this up. You can click this thing.
Let's just show them everything.
And move this.
So here's this little ball. You can like move it around. You can click it. And then you have these little spinny thingies right there. You have a little joystick. What? It's got a light switch kind of thing. You have these buttons. Only 3 of them click.
Do them though.
Yeah,
Can you hear that? Can you hear that?
Listen.
But you hear that? Sorry.
These 2 don't click.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, there's one last thing. It's this little.
No, you forgot to show them the.
Oh yeah, there's actually 2 last things. So here's this little thing. You just spin it. This thing is just a little like place you put your thumb in it, and it's really soothing.
Okay, just a short little video just to show y'all. It's a fidget toy. You can get them on Amazon Prime. They're like, this was like $6 for both of them. So like, they're really cheap. Buy one. They're cool. They're A-OK. So then, I got shovel. Bye, people.
No.
Wait, what? That's all.
Bye.
Bye.